dagat.
Yung iba po sa nasa dagat, pero ito yung nasa Metro Manila, yung area po dito sa.
Yung medyo, excuse me, medyo nira-red yan. Ito parang orange.
Purple. Pag ganun,
Purple?
Sir. Yung iba sir, yung nasa side ng red yan, sir, is orange.
Yan ang thunderstorm cells.
So yes.
And it's moving. It's
moving from toward Manila.
Yung volume so far compared to Ondoy, anong difference? Have we gotten more rain, less rain than Ondoy?
Based on Ondoy, mas marami yung Ondoy itong time na yun. Pero kung ito, kung cumulative na around 3 to 4 days, mga ganon, hindi natin, siguro mas marami ito kung sakaling. Pero yung kay Ondoy kasi sa within 6 hours yata malaki yung
Kaya yung scientist, pwede huwag natin hulaan. Baka pwede nyo i-determine. Kaya naman siguro ma-determine yan. Yeah. So many hours, so many days, so much volume per hour. No? Cumulative will result to a certain figure. Okay. So by 7 o'clock sinasabi Secretary Monte, you will firm up the model for tomorrow. Tama ba yun? 7 p.m. tomorrow. 7 p.m. tonight.
7 p.m. tonight.
7 p.m. tonight to firm up the model for tomorrow.
Yes.
The expectations for tomorrow are?
Siguro nasa moderate to heavy ang rate.
Yung parang a lot less than what it is now. Ano ba yan?
Parang ganun. Parang ganun po.
Tumataas ang confidence level ko sa inyo. Parang siguro, gusto bang konsultahin mo muna yung director para masigurado tayo? Gagawa tayo ng mga desisyon.
Yes, sir.
Parang tama, hindi pwede. Tama o mali niya. Check mo na muna sa akin. Thanks.
Mr. President, we'd just like to give the latest water level readings in 3 sites. No? We've been monitoring Marikina. This is in Santo Niño. Yesterday at 6 p.m., the water level, if you recall, we were at 20.17. At 2 p.m. this afternoon, it went down to 17.76. It went further down at 3 p.m. to 17.62. Kaya lang by 4 p.m. umakyat po uli ng 17.82. This is the behavior of Marikina at Santo Niño. But this is still very far from the Ondoy, which was at 22.16 meters. Now in Laguna Lake, if you reference it to Ondoy, which is 13.85, at 2 p.m., it was already at 13.65, but fortunately at 3 p.m. it came down to 13.63, and at 4 p.m. we were down to 13.62 meters. So mukhang bumaba yung Laguna Lake from 1365 to 1362. Doon po naman sa Manila Bay, 2 p.m. this afternoon was at 11.42. It went up at 3 p.m. At 11.43, but at 4 p.m. we were already down to 11.38.
Does that data suggest yung water is going out to its natural tributaries?
That's correct.
So you will have less of the flooding. Parang hindi nako-contain within the NCR itong all of this rainfall. It is going to where it's supposed to go.
Yes.
Flooded zone. Meron.
PNP will provide us data on the flooded areas and road accessibility. Director Sarmiento.
Flooded areas raw.
Sir, for Metro Manila, there are still many flooded areas. I just came from Kamanaba area, and the situation there is still very bad. So for road condition and flooded areas, MacArthur Highway, Barangay Potrero, Malabon City to Marulas, Valenzuela, not possible to all types of vehicles.
May access pa tayo sa Malabon.
Nanggaling ako sir dun sa Malabon, nakausap ko mismo si Mayor. We have to use 6x6 trucks to reach Malabon City Hall. The problematic area is Katmon, doon sa may Acacia. Medyo hanggang dip-dip sir yung tubig doon. I was there earlier.
Sir, yung delikado hanggang dip-dip, may tao pa to sa Katmon? Hindi natin na-evacuate o yan?
Yung evacuation center sir, medyo nasa may gitna. So the relief goods are being brought to Katmon.
Pero wala na iniiwan doon sa hanggang dip-dip?
Doon sir sa may hanggang dip-dip, sabi nila nilipat na sa evacuation area. Hindi kami nakatuloy mismo doon sa evacuation area kasi hanggang dip-dip yung tubig. Nadadaanan namin.
So can we just verify that we have not left anybody in that very flooded area? So kaya na 6x6 to bring in the relief goods, sir?
Ang 6x6 sir hanggang doon sa may bridge ng Katmon, Barangay Katmon. And then from the bridge, we have to use the rubber boats bringing the relief goods to the evacuation area. We already sent additional rubber boats to Malabon to help them deliver the relief goods in the evacuation area in Katmon.
Yung daanan ba pang rubber boat lang taga o pwedeng larger craft?
Pwede siguro amphibian truck sir, kung hindi, pero kami sir kanina talagang hindi kami nakarating sa evacuation area dahil medyo mataas na yung baha.
Wala sa Marine yung picture sa kanila. Marine. Amphibian. General Bago, amphibian, wala bang Marines?
Sir, we have actually two amphibian trucks, which is the term of the Navy, sir, and two light amphibian riverine craft. The same lang yan, sir, yung mataas, sir.
Saan nasan sila?
It's Quezon City, Araneta, sir. It's under the control of MMDA, sir.
All four of them?
Yes, sir.
Lina, pakita lang.
Yes sir. So yun yung sir sa Malabon City, Letre Road, C4 Road, Samson Road, MacArthur Highway, Caloocan, 2nd Avenue, 3rd Avenue, 4th Avenue, 5th Avenue, Barangay Maligaya, Barangay 118, Barangay 119, 120, Samson Road, Monumento, Maypaho Road to Manila, sir. C3 Road, Nabotas Boundary, C4, Letre Road, Dagat-Dagatan, Libis, not possible to light vehicles. So marami talaga, sir, mga tao doon na naglalakad hanggang hita ang tubig. So, ang importante natin doon, mga 6x6 trucks para ma-ferry yung mga taong lumalabas, naghahanap ng pagkain nila. And then, organized naman, sir, yung City Hall. Nakapila na doon, nung pagdaan ko doon naka-organize yung mga 6x6 trucks at saka yung pinadala nating mga rubber boats doon sa likuran. So, the relief goods, meron silang ikinakarga doon sa may City Hall and then dadalhin doon sa Katmon area. Yun ang pinaka-grabe.
Yung power to cook all of these relief goods, meron tayo dyan? Potable water, still okay?
Nagpapatuloy po ang press briefing ng National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council kaugnay ng masamang panahong dala ng hagupit ng hanging habagat, kung saan dumalo mismo si Pangulong Noynoy Aquino at si Dr. Mahar Lagmay ng Project NOAA. Tinanong ng Pangulo kung ano ang inaasahang lagay ng panahon bukas. Ang sinagot sa kanya, moderate daw na pag-ulan ang aasahan pa rin bukas. Tungkol sa Marikina River, patuloy raw ang pagbaba ng tubig sa ilog mula sa 21 meters kaninang umaga. Kaninang alas 4 raw, nasa mahigit 17 meters na lang daw ang taas ng tubig sa ilog. Bumaba rin daw ang level ng tubig sa Laguna de Bay. Sa ngayon, ayon sa PNP, marami pa raw mga lugar at kalsada sa Metro Manila na lubog sa baha. At ang ilang mga kalsada, partikular sa Kamanaba area, hirap pa rin daw na madaanan.